Entertainer Bill Cosby was held for trial today in a criminal sexual assault case. This is the case in which Cosby had invited over to his home here near Philadelphia a Temple University employee. She was a friend and Cosby was a mentor to her. Today in court, we heard for the first time excerpts from the police statements that each gave to detectives in 2005. Cosby paints their relationship as a friendship that occasionally involved petting and kissing. He calls that consensual and says that on a previous occasion, she had once asked him to stop what he was doing, and he did. In her statement, by contrast, Constand says that Cosby offered her pills because she said she was under some stress. He encouraged her to take wine, even though she said she hadn't had anything to eat and didn't really want to drink that day. She says she asked if they were herbal medication, and Cosby said to her that they were. Constand says that about 20 minutes after she took the pill, she began to feel queasy. She says her legs were giving out beneath her. Cosby walked her over to a couch. She said she laid down and started feeling in and out of consciousness. She says she was somewhat aware that he had settled in behind her on the couch and was aware that he was molesting her. The defense is focusing in on two key issues here: credibility and consent. Undoubtedly, at trial, they're going to attack Constand's credibility, question her memory, whether she gave the same statement to police on the 3 different times that she spoke with them. They're also going to attack whether or not their relationship was consensual. The prosecution says that they proved today through her statement that she was too impaired to give consent under Pennsylvania law for this crime, which is aggravated indecent assault. There's 3 ways in which Cosby could be convicted: if she was too impaired to give consent, if she was unconscious, or if she simply did not give consent. Those are the ways in which a jury could find Cosby guilty of this crime and send him to prison for as much as 10 years. The lawyers will now fight to see what's in and what's out in the trial, especially 2 key things. 1, will his deposition be allowed to be used from this accuser's civil lawsuit? And 2, will other accusers be allowed to come in and try to show, as prosecutors believe, that this was a pattern of behavior?